Babe, I had to take this video because look what Lisa found in the road. He's a little turtle. Isn't he cute?
Hi, little turtle.
Look at him. He's trying to scratch me with his little turtle claws.
Yeah, very tiny ones, but
if you tip him like this, he'll come out. Like, tip it forward. Watch. It makes him have to come out. Tip him
Makes him have to come out.
See?
Oh!
His hands and feet out. Tip him forward a little more.
Don't scare him.
Well, babe, I want to show you. I have wildlife videos too now. So you're not the only one that sees.
When you tip him a little more.
Mom, don't.
So his head will just pop out. You can tip
this
him
is
back.
the addition of Brittany talks to animals.
Go outside and put on the grass.
See a
and
turtle.
Tape him walking.
What's that like?
Brad, he'll run on the grass.
Say hello to your mother for me. We're gonna go and put him out back though, because he's probably scared now. But
Hello, Sean.
am I even in the shot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We got the boat towed.
And we got the boat towed, so when you get back, we're gonna have a boat to go on.
Yay! Bye, turtle.
He's like.